Baroness Jones of Moulscombe.
I beg leave to ask the question standing in my name on the order paper.
My Lords, as part of its terms of reference, the Undercover Policing Inquiry is investigating the state of awareness of undercover police operations of Her Majesty's Government since 1968. The Home Office is a core participant in that inquiry and is in the process of making disclosure to the inquiry of material relevant to the terms of reference. The inquiry will report on its findings once all evidence has been reviewed.
Yeah, well, I thank the noble lady for her response, which of course is not an answer to my question. I'm not sure if she is actually aware that over a period of 24 years, from 1985 to 2009, almost every single year, there was a state-sponsored sexual relationship between a police officer and a woman who at no point was accused of doing anything illegal, not arrested, not accused. I just don't understand how the Minister can sit there and think that this is all right. This strikes at the heart of the ethics and the integrity of our police forces and of course, our security services. And I must stress that the cases we know about are the only ones we've heard about because those are the only police names in the public realm. We don't know all of them. Until we know all of the police undercover names, we won't know how many victims there were. So I'm also concerned about the inquiry because, of course, the Minister may know that there was a walkout today by the whole legal team of the women involved and the women themselves. So how is the government going to restore the credibility of that inquiry?
Well, the noble lady refers to state-sponsored, and I would refer her to the actual terms of reference of the inquiry, which is to ascertain the state of awareness of undercover police operations of Her Majesty's Government. That is precisely what the inquiry was set up to do. And in terms of the walkout of today, I have been made aware of that walkout, and I am aware that the hearings are still ongoing. And I'd encourage all core participants, indeed anyone impacted by undercover policing, to participate fully in the inquiry so that we can learn the lessons and get to the truth.
So, can the noble lady confirm it's a very serious matter, that notwithstanding anything that comes out of the inquiry, any recommendations that follow, that she's absolutely confident that robust procedures are now in place and it can never happen again?
Well, my Lords, I'd love to stand at this dispatch box and say that certain things could never happen again, but nobody can legislate for the odd rogue undertaking or a malicious intent of people, and therefore what one cannot be absolutely certain that it never happened again. What one can do is put measures in place to try and mitigate as far as is possible that it never happens again.
Does the